What's up, SBM gang? I'm back with another tutorial, and it's really no shade. Shout out to Megalook hair for sending me a bust down blonde wig. Now, this wig does have black mixed with blonde, but today I was doing Gabby's hair, and Gabby doesn't like dark hair at all, so I did put some bleach and developer in a bucket of water, and I mixed it together, and I threw the wig in there for about 40 minutes, and it just basically got all the black hair brown, and it actually made the blonde a little bit lighter as well. Made it real cute. We wanted it to be extra girly, extra blonde. The black hair kind of gave it like this salt and pepper vibe, and I really was going for the blonde look, so I lightened it up, got it brown, and it's giving no shade. For this install, I did do a glueless bust down slay. So I used my Boho liquid gold. Y'all know that's a go-to, that's a must-have when you're doing a glueless slay. I topped it off with a little bit of gold spray on top because I needed this wig install to be extra secure, extra locked in. We had a little routine to do, and my girl's pregnant now, so I just needed this wig to be on, locked in, secure, and it was no shade. You definitely want to go in with a blow dryer and make sure all that product is dry before you tie it down, so that way that paper, whatever you use to tie down your lace, doesn't get stuck to your face, and it's really no shade. I'm going in with my eyebrow razors to cut this lace off real jagged edged like. I sectioned out my baby hairs. Now I'm just going in and hot combing because I am doing a half up half down slay, and I want this ponytail to be laid. Gotta spray the lace one last time just for good measure, just to be sure, for that extra laidness of it all. Tie it down again and proceed to go in for the ponytail. Now I wanted to make sure my ponytail was perfect, even, and not lopsided, so I went section by section. I did like 4 different ponytails. I added hair as I went, and I think that worked for me. I started off in the back just to see where I wanted it to sit, made sure it was centered, and then I went in to add hair little by little. Now for that last section of hair that I'm molding into the ponytail, I did take the band off so that I can get rid of that line, that dent that the hair kind of forms when you tie your hair down in the front. So don't complete your full ponytail without taking off that band, because you will have a dent, a mark, and it's not really cute or tea, no shade. But yeah, so I'm finally going in doing my last rubber band session, and starting from the back really works for me. Y'all try it, let me know if that helps, or if y'all like just doing one big ponytail all at once. Like, let me know. But working in sections is my fave right now. Now I'm just wrapping a little hair around just to create that full half up half down look, and I'm just going in to press it out, and it's no shade. This is my flat iron from the Silk Junkie. When I'm doing bone straight looks on long hair, I do like to use a thicker flat iron. That's why I don't really use my Baby Bliss flat iron like that to do bone straight looks anymore. I use that flat iron when I need to do silk presses on like natural hair. That's the perfect flat. But for bundles and wigs and stuff, I like to use my Fat Silk Junkie pressing iron, and it's no shade. I always tell you guys to use an eyebrow razor to cut your baby hairs because you don't want too blunt of a cut, even though sometimes it don't really matter. But for me, I'm just accustomed to using an eyebrow razor. I like to curl my baby hairs with my pencil flat iron. Some of y'all be using thick flat irons and y'all be getting so close to your face. A lot of y'all got burn marks. Get a pencil flat iron and stop trying to go against the grain. I used hairspray to do these baby hairs because if I would have used mousse, it would have defeated the whole purpose of the glueless. It would have lifted up my spray, my gel. It just would have been too much. So I definitely went in with hairspray to complete my baby hair slay, and it's no shade.
POJ the beats.
Shout out to Megalook for sending me a buzz down. This wig was perfect for my girl Gabby's pregnancy reveal. I did go in and bleach bath this wig so I can get it a few shades lighter, but it took to the color so well, it bounced back. Y'all know sometimes when you bleach hair, it get a little icky, a little brittle, but this wig bounced back. I only had to condition it one time, and it was already back to life. No shade. So all the info for this wig will be in the description box. Shout out to Gabby. I know y'all missed her. Follow her on all her social medias. That'll be in the description box as well. Shout out to my SBM gang. We're growing and we're glowing. I know I haven't been posting, but I'm back on it. I got a bunch of videos to upload for y'all. So y'all keep showing me love. Keep subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting. Engage with your hairstylist, your fave hairstylist. Bye, y'all.